Now we'll start question number 3 of practice set 6.1. Radius of a circle is 34 centimeter and the distance of the chord from the center is 30 centimeter. Find the length of the chord. Radius and distance is given. We have to find the length of chord. So now we'll see how to solve this question. And here in the question, the name of the center, name of the chord is not given. So that naming we will take with our own. So here I have taken again the blank figure. So naming is not there. So we'll take the same naming. So O is the center of a circle. AB be the chord and OP be the perpendicular. Okay. After that we will see whatever values are given to us. OA, because the radius is given as 34. So OA is nothing but the radius. So it is given as 34. And the distance, that means O to P, is given as 30. Both are in centimeter. So it is also centimeter. This is also centimeter. So OP is given as 30 centimeter. We have to find length of chord, that is AB. So AB we want to find. So here we know the hypotenuse, we know one side, so we can find other side. So AP we will find. After finding AP, we will take the double of AP, so it will be AB. Okay, so in this way we will solve this question. So see here, directly we will take that this OP is perpendicular on AB. So here this OP is perpendicular on chord AB, it is given. Because of this perpendicular, that angle OPA is 90 degree. If you will see the same statement I am taking, and it is very important to remember, whenever we will apply the Pythagoras theorem, we have to write this statement only. So angle OPA is 90 degree. Because of this 90 degree, triangle OPA will be right angle triangle, and if the triangle is right angle, then we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, and the statement of Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to one side is square plus other side is square. So here see, opposite to 90 degree, hypotenuse is OA, one side is OP, other side will be AP. So we'll apply the values. So here OA square is equal to OP square plus AP square. Now we'll apply the values. OA is 34, OP is 30. So OA is 34 and OP is 30, and this AP we want to find. Now we have to take the square of 34 and also square of 30. So square of 34 will be 1156 and square of 30 will be 900. So we have taken here square of 34 and 30. Now here 900 is with the plus sign. If we will take on other side, it will be in minus. So 1156 minus 900 will be equal to AP square. So 1156 minus 900 will be 256, that is equal to AP square. Again same thing, we have to remove the square. So for removing the square, we are taking the square root of both the side. So we will write taking square root of both the side. Same statement I am taking, so it is very important to remember. It is very easy to remember also. I am taking purposely same statement. So you have to remember all this. So here square will remove, and 256 is a square of 16. So root will be 16. So we have got AP is equal to 16 centimeter. But we have to find AB. So we will take the same statement of the theorem, that AP is equal to half into AB. Okay. And the reason is also same. Perpendicular drawn from the center bisect the chord. Here we know the value of AP. So we will apply AP is 16. And this side we will take like that only. So 16 is equal to 1 upon 2 into AB. Now here this 2 is in division. If I will take on other side, it will be in multiply. So 16 into 2 is equal to AB. Now 16 2s are 32. So we have got AB is equal to 32. So 32 centimeter we have got AB. So at last we can write the statement from the question only. See, after find के बाद क्या दिया हुआ है? The length of the chord. So you will write the length of the chord is 32 centimeter. It is 32. See here, the answer is 32. So we will write the length of the chord is 32 centimeter. So in this way we have completed our question number 3. Now we will start our question number 4. Radius of the circle with center O. Here the name of the center is given O and the radius is 41. And units, no meter centimeter, so it is units. Length of the chord PQ. The name of chord is also given PQ. So whatever the name is given, we have to take that naming only. If the naming is not there, then we are taking with our own. So here it is given, so we will take PQ only. The length of PQ is 80 unit. Find the distance. Distance means, I have explained you, distance means the perpendicular distance. We have to find from the center of a circle. So now we will see how to solve this question. So here question number 4. In that O is given as center of a circle and here PQ is given as chord. So instead of AB we will take here PQ. Already we have taken here point P, so we can't take point P here. So I will take here point M. So here OM is perpendicular on PQ. Here the radius, so radius is OP. Radius is given as 41 centimeter. Length of this PQ is 80, not centimeter, it is given as units. And PQ is given as 80 units. So by taking the half of this PQ, we can find PM. So we know PM, we know OP, then we have to find OM. So now we'll see what is given to us. So OP is 41 units, PQ is 80 units, and we have to find OM. So we'll start our solution. First of all, by taking the half of PQ, we will find PM. So we will write PM is equal to, PQ is 80, it is given. So PM is equal to half into PQ. Again the same statement, perpendicular drawn from the center, bisect the chord. Now we'll apply the value of this PQ. So PQ is 80. So we'll apply here 80. So this 80 we can cancel by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. Then 0. So we have got PM is equal to 40, not centimeter, it will be units. So we will write here units. No centimeter, meter is given, so we can write here units. So we have got this is 40 units. Now we'll apply the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. First of all, we will write that segment OM is perpendicular on chord PQ. It is given to us. Because of this perpendicular, angle OMP will be 90 degree. Because of this 90 degree, the triangle OMP is a right angle triangle. And if the triangle is right angle triangle, then we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, and the statement of Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus other side square. Now we'll see in the figure which side is hypotenuse and which sides are one side and other side. So here hypotenuse is OP, PM will be one side, OM will be other side. So here we have taken OP square is equal to OM square plus PM square. Now we'll apply the value of OP and PM. So value of OP is 41 and PM we have got 40. So we have to take square of 41, also square of 40. Square of 41 is 1681. Then OM square we have taken like that only. Square of 40 is 1600. Now this 1600 is in plus sign. If we will take on other side, it will be in minus. So 1681 minus 1600 is equal to OM square. So if we will take the subtraction, we will get here 81. So we have got 81 is equal to OM square. Same way we have to remove this square. So taking square root of both the side. So here this square will remove and the root of 81 will be 9. So we will take OM is equal to 9. And no meter centimeter, so we can write units. Okay. So in this way we can write the answer in words. The distance of the chord from the center of the circle is 9 units. Okay. So in this way we have completed our question number 4 and also practice set 6.1 because question number 5 and 6 are omitted. So we have completed our practice set 6.1.